In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find DocuSign documents quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for an agreement someone sent you, a document you're waiting to sign, or a completed contract you need to download, this step-by-step guide will help you locate it in just a few clicks. If you use DocuSign for work or personal agreements, knowing how to navigate and search properly can save you a lot of time. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to DocuSign. Open your browser and head over to apps.docusign.com and log in with your email and password. Make sure you're signing in with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your recent activity, pending documents, and notifications. Next, look toward the top navigation menu and click on Agreements. The Agreements section is where all of your documents are organized. This includes documents you've sent, documents you've received, drafts, completed agreements, and those still waiting for signatures. Clicking on Agreements will take you to a more detailed view where everything is categorized and searchable. Once you're inside the Agreements area, take a look at the left-hand panel or the available tabs. Here, you'll typically see options like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Completed, and sometimes Waiting for Others. If you're trying to find a document someone sent you, click on Inbox. The inbox specifically shows agreements that require your attention or were shared directly with you. This is usually the first place to check if you're expecting something from another person or company. Now, if you have a lot of documents and scrolling through the list feels overwhelming, this is where the search feature becomes extremely useful. At the top of the Agreements page, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on the search bar. You can type in keywords related to the document you're looking for. This could be the sender's name, the recipient's name, the document title, or even part of the email address associated with the agreement. As you type, DocuSign will start filtering the results automatically. This makes it much faster to narrow down your documents instead of manually browsing through pages of agreements. If needed, you can also combine the search feature with the category filters like completed or sent to narrow things down even further. For example, if you know the document has already been signed and finalized, click on completed first and then use the search bar to enter a keyword. This way, you're only searching within completed agreements, which speeds up the process significantly. Once you find the document you're looking for, simply click on it. From there, you'll be able to view the agreement details, check the status, download a copy, or review the certificate of completion if needed. This is especially helpful for record keeping or sharing proof that a document was officially signed. And that's really all there is to it. To quickly recap, go to DocuSign and log in, click on Agreements, check your inbox or the relevant category, and use the search bar to instantly find the document you need. Using these steps, you'll be able to locate any DocuSign agreement in seconds instead of minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.